Real Julia here, and I want to tell you a little bit about this video that you're about to watch. So I'm not your average YouTuber. No offense at all to the YouTube crowd, but I am an entrepreneur. And I have built businesses from the ground up. I've sold them for 7 figures. I have, in fact, hired teams of over 100 people, which might be hard looking at me because I look so young. But I approach AI not from let's just make YouTube content and create hype. I approach it from an actual functioning business perspective. I run a company called First Movers. I started it. I don't run it. I'm not the CEO. Thank the Lord for that. And it took my health crash where I was literally, my brain had such low capabilities that just looking at a screen, I saw color. I saw yellow. I could not look at a computer screen for months. So I was actually inebriated from ridiculous things that are happening in the world. We are under warfare. If you don't believe it, I think you will see it more soon. Radiation on all sides, toxic food, toxic water, toxic soil, vaccines in our chickens, which we now eat, etc., etc., etc. But just one thing to remember, God and his power is over all of that. So if our hope is in intelligent design and the grand creator behind this whole earth, we have nothing to fear, nothing to ever fear, and that's beautiful. But I want to tell you a little bit about this video. It is a course that usually lives in the labs, and I'm going to give it to you for free because I am so tired of seeing people go, how do I use AI for my benefit? And they're not thinking in terms of a person that has sovereign control over their mind instead of a victim mindset, which is cultivated by most of the industries because that's how entities make money off of us, usually government or industry-run entities. So if we think with personal sovereignty and we have personal agency, again, we reclaim who we are in the world, then we can do this. We can actually build amazing businesses with AI. Maybe it's not a business. Maybe it's the trajectory of a creator that we can do. But way easier now. Right, Gina?
I'll hold it.
My little boy wants to YouTube, apparently. But I have spent 13 years in the trenches. I have had thousands of customers, believe it or not, actually more than 5,000. I built one of the world's first e-commerce content shops. We launched writing as a service as an e-commerce purchasable platform item. We're the first to do that in 2013. 5,000 clients, sold that in 2021. But what I learned was what makes a business work and what doesn't. And I have since coached and taught this. Oh, we have scissors. Scissors out of the 3-year-old's hand. Okay, so I've been in the middle of businesses. I have helped grow them. I've coached this at a pretty in-depth level as well. And this class comes from all of that knowledge. And it's really amazing. Also, what you're about to watch is the future of training because this is my clone teaching a class. It's my thoughts, it's my research, 13 years of building businesses, being in other businesses, seeing what works. You gotta have a clear niche, you gotta have a clear topic direction, and you've gotta be consistent. One of the main reasons why people and their businesses, maybe it was just a creator brand even, one of the main reasons why that failed, they were not consistent. So I'm telling you that once you have a topic, and it could be like my friend Jessica, it could be Japanese chins dogs, with viral shorts, right? Potential revenue there. Whatever topic you have at hand, you have to be consistent. You have to keep going. You can't just put out a couple videos and be done. And that was the biggest mistake I saw whenever I was coaching and teaching. People just weren't consistent. They would start a podcast, start a channel, start a book, start a website, give it 3 weeks, and then give up. You can't do that. It took me 10 years to build up my business to 100 people and exit it, right? You've got to be in this for the long haul. And what I see as this beautiful thing is that we can actually get out of all of the work. We don't have to sit there and film, do hair, makeup. We can be with our kids like I'm about to be. Judah, stop that with the lights. So I hope that you enjoy this class and put some time into watching it. It comes from years of researching this, learning how to do it as an art and a science. How do we build businesses that work? But now the question we can ask is how do we take ourselves out and put AI in the process to replace all the work we should not be doing so we can actually be more human? And I don't want us to get that wrong. I don't want us to get that backwards where we are stuck doing all the machine work and the machines are out being human, like watching our kids. Makes no sense. So let's do this in the right direction. All right, enjoy this class. Hey there, future brand builders. I'm Julia McCoy, and today we're diving deep into the secrets that have helped me build multiple 7-figure businesses and reach over 25 million people with my content. If you've been struggling to stand out in a crowded marketplace, or you feel like you're posting into the void without real results, this presentation is going to change everything for you. The perfect brand name formula. Let's start with something fundamental that most people get completely wrong: your brand name. Here's the formula that works every single time. What you do plus who you serve equals memorable brand. Your brand name should instantly communicate your value, be easy to remember and repeat, speak directly to your target market, and yes, have an available domain name. Here's a pro tip that saved me countless hours. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, but trust your gut for the final decision. I always tell people, go for a walk, get outside, let your gut work. Take some days. Your intuition knows what feels right for your brand. The micro scripts framework. Now, here's where most brands fail. They focus on what people hear instead of what people repeat. In our connected world, what matters is what people naturally want to share with others. This is where micro scripts come in. These are short, memorable phrases that follow specific rules. 4 to 5 words maximum. Contains vivid imagery, easy to remember and repeat. Supports your core message. Think breakfast of champions. Just do it. Think different. Your brand's success literally depends on what people naturally want to repeat to others. This isn't just marketing theory. This is how human psychology works. The content transformation framework. Here's how you turn your expertise into compelling content that people actually want to consume. Step 1, identify the biggest transformation you offer. Step 2, find the most urgent pain point you solve. Step 3, create content that bridges the gap. Focus on these 3 areas that always win. Health, including physical, mental, emotional, and wellness. Wealth, including money, business, and career growth. Relationships, including personal and professional connections. The 50-50 rule. This is the secret to escaping the feast or famine cycle that destroys most personal brands. Split your time equally. 50% marketing, like content creation, social media, networking, and brand building. 50% sales, like client calls, proposals, follow-ups, and delivery. Promise yourself right now, no more famine or feast. This balance is what creates sustainable, predictable growth. Your content strategy, the 3 E's framework. Every piece of content you create should hit at least one of these. Entertain, like make people smile, laugh, or feel good. Educate, like teaching valuable skills and insights. Empower, like inspire action and transformation. Master multiple E's in one post, and you're looking at viral potential. But remember, marketing is only as good as how inspired you are when you create it. Your weekly content schedule. Here's the first mover's content calendar that's generated millions in revenue. Website, build this first. It's your digital real estate. YouTube, 3 videos per week for educational content. Blog or SEO, 3 posts per week for authority building. Twitter, also known as X, 5 tweets per week for thought leadership. Instagram, 3 to 5 posts or reels per week for engagement. Pro tip, batch create content when you're inspired, not on a rigid schedule. Inspiration creates better content than discipline alone. AI-powered content creation. This is where the game changes completely. I've scaled my content creation 25x using AI, and here's my exact process. I train AI in my unique voice and style, create content frameworks and templates, use AI for first drafts with humans for optimization, and maintain authenticity through personal stories. Just recently, I trained Claude's AI in my voice and used it to generate 5,000 words of content for a new book I'm writing. The results were absolutely unreal. Platform selection strategy. Don't make the mistake of trying to be everywhere. Pick 2-3 platforms maximum and go deep, not wide. LinkedIn, where you can do B2B networking, thought leadership, and professional content. YouTube, where you can do long-form education, building authority, and SEO benefits. Instagram, where you can do visual storytelling, behind the scenes, and personal brand. And Twitter or X, where you can do real-time thoughts, industry commentary, and networking. The viral storytelling formula. Stories that get shared follow this exact structure. The hook. Start with tension or contradiction. The journey. Show the struggle and process. The transformation. Reveal the outcome. The lesson. Give actionable takeaway. Listen, I had 90,000 views in 2 days and 1,500 new subscribers in 1 day using this exact formula. The key: be vulnerable. Share failures alongside successes. The authority building pyramid. Build from the bottom up, but always be working toward the top. Foundation: consistent social presence. Regular authority, thought leadership content. High authority, books and courses. Top tier, speaking and podcasts. Personal brand monetization. Here's your progression for turning your brand into revenue streams. From services to courses to speaking and finally to products. Start with consulting and done-for-you services, move into online education and masterminds, then speaking at keynotes and events, and finally products like books, software, and tools. Building your tribe. Community is your competitive advantage. Here's my strategy. Start with your existing network. Create valuable exclusive content, foster connections between members, show up consistently and authentically, and celebrate member wins publicly. Remember, community is the most scalable marketing channel that doesn't depend on algorithms. Think like a CEO. Your personal brand is your business. You need to set culture, define your values and standards, lead business, drive strategy and vision, set goals, quarterly reviews, and long-term planning. Monitor health, track metrics, and ROI. Step into the thinking of a CEO. These are the things that will change your life. Build systems that scale. Work on your brand, not in it. Create systems for content, create AI tools, templates, and workflows. Social media. Create scheduling, engagement, and analytics. Email marketing. Create sequences, segmentation, and automation. Lead generation. Create funnels, landing pages, and CRM. Your goal is to create systems that work without your constant input. Avoid these fatal mistakes. Learn from my 10+ years of experience. Don't 1. Try to be everywhere at once. 2. Post inconsistently with mixed messaging. 3. Copy others instead of being authentic. 4. Focus on vanity metrics over real results. 5. Cheap out on your website and design. You will regret that last one, trust me. Measure what matters. Focus on these KPIs. Engagement, like comments, shares, saves. Reach, like new followers, impressions. Conversion, like email, signups, and calls booked. Revenue, like sales, partnerships, and speaking. Quality conversations matter more than follower count. Track how many people take action from your content, scaling to 7 figures. Here's the growth trajectory. Stage 1, personal services, $0 to $100,000. Stage 2, digital products, $100,000 to $500,000. Stage 3, team and systems, $500,000 to $1 million. Stage 4, platform and speaking, $1 million. Think big. One of the biggest problems with entrepreneurs is they think too small. That's what limits you. Become a first mover. Position yourself ahead of the curve. Embrace AI tools before your competition. Create content about emerging trends. Build expertise in new technologies. Network with other innovators. Share your learning journey publicly. Remember, AI is the worst it'll ever be today. The future gets exponentially better. Your 90-day action plan. Days 1 to 30. Define your brand identity. Choose your platforms. Create content calendar. Start posting consistently. Days 31 to 60. Implement AI workflows. Build email list, network, and collaborate. Optimize based on data. Days 61 to 90. Launch first product or service. Scale systems, speaking opportunities. Plan next quarter. Ready to build your personal brand empire? Your next steps are simple. 1. Define your brand name and messaging. 2. Set up your content creation systems. 3. Start building your audience. 4. Track and optimize your results. The key to growth is listening. The best opportunities to listen are all around us. You have everything you need to build a memorable, lasting brand that generates real revenue and impact. The question isn't whether you can do this, it's whether you'll take action today. Your next step, use our personal brand mastery GPT for customized guidance on your specific brand strategy, content creation, and growth tactics. Now go build that brand empire. The world is waiting for what you have to offer. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI R&D labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, we're not just teaching theories, we're sharing the exact systems my team is implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs,